This guy got pull over, man. Stop, stop, stop. Hey, 49, dash cam 49357T. Come over here. Jersey 493, is that 57T?
Loser! You dropped me?
So the ability doesn't really sound that useful aside from giving you some time to heal or run away. However, if you know how to
EMS, wrecked down EMS. Gray sweatshirt went around the back. I've got one on the ground. Passengers on the ground. Stay still. Stay still.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Your eyes is hardly subtle. You wanna do some fucking. I just wanna feel you hold me, come even if I'm not
Video protected.
Pile of something there, I don't. For having to go this way. There's one more. That's awesome. Learn how to drive and be patient. Chill the out.
Can't even hear what you're saying.
I'm saying chill out. It's driving. Take your time. Goodbye. Have a good day. So, 3 sides of nacho cheese. Alright, that'll be it.
Can I get a taco?
Dropping on 540. 10-4, south now. Got the Cloverleaf going for TBI. 10-4 south Cloverleaf. I got the Go there for TBI. TBI, 1316 rollover. 10-4, TBI rollover. Here comes John. Have him come the wrong way. Come get it. Simple.
I've been waiting for that to happen.
Alright, I got one clear. Got one chest seal. Go to Agler. Northbound, let's go to Agler. Go! Done!
Holy sh! Hey, you shouldn't be driving like that. You could have killed somebody.
Pardon me?
You shouldn't have been driving like that. You could have killed somebody. You were going way too fast in this parking lot.
You know what, baby? I had to piss so bad.
That's crazy. You could have killed somebody. You need to fix yourself.
Pardon me, love.
She was a beluga whale, and it looked like she was. Oh!
Whoa!
And it looked like she was. Oh!
Whoa!
Mother. God damn. Does he not know?
It's not focusing on him because this is annoying. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, he's not happy. Shh. You get your hands back. Alright, go finish packing. This is why you don't do everything you see in commercials. This dude is stuck, man. He's like cursing the blue street. Let's see if he gets it this time. This fancy new Jeep. And wait for it. Look at the old Jeep coming down. Oh, he's can't go backwards. Wait. Alright, he got it this time. Come on. This is definitely going on YouTube. I think he needs snow tires. And his fancy Jeep. Yo. Uh-oh. He went crazy.
Kidding me?
Yes. Oh my god. Why am I laughing at someone else's pain? Oh my god. Come on, you got it. Oh, maybe not. There you go. He's just making a big ice pile now. He's never gonna get out of here. mess.
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna jack up his car, man. His wheels are so shiny. Look at it. He doesn't have any tread. That's why they're just bald. You can have all the 4 wheels you want. If they're bald, it ain't doing no good. Oh. There you go. You got it. Come on.
Oh.
Maybe not. Look at the actor going by him downhill. See here?
He's like, yo, what? Oh my gosh.
Go ahead, back. You gotta jump out first one. He's gonna burn up this transmission. Hey, man. Why don't you back up and turn the other side? It's on. No, you know, I'm sorry. Oh, babies. Oh, Jesus Christ. He needs to just breathe and just gun it back down. Oh wait. Alright, but turn the wheel, homie. Oh, here we go. Come on, you got it. Watch it. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, he made it. Oh, he's tight.
He made it!
Yeah.